Hello and welcome to this HCT Adobe tutorial. What we will be doing lesson today is how to install Adobe Creative Cloud on your laptops. This is primarily addressed to the students, but the teachers who also like to install Adobe Creative Cloud on their laptops can also benefit from this video. So start off, you should be receiving an email like this from Higher College of Technology UAE-Adobe, which is basically HCT Adobe website, which registers students and also teachers to allow and give them access to the licenses required for Adobe Creative Cloud, which is done by the campus administrator for HCT Adobe. So if you've got this email, you should be looking at this link which I'm hovering my mouse over, and if you copy this link and paste in your browser or click on the link itself, you should see that a message from the website at HCT Adobe that your registration has now been completed, and now you could go ahead and redeem your license. Redeeming means basically you can now use your license and download the software Adobe Creative Cloud. So what you can do is you can copy and paste this in a browser also, or click on this link directly. Now when you open when the browser gets opened, if you've used this already before, you should see congratulations, a message like this, that this link is now that you have verified your identity, and now you can go ahead and redeem your license. If you do that again, because this link is valid for only one time use, then you don't have to worry. It would only mean that your account has already been registered, and that's all. So it's not an error. It's actually that you have just simply clicked on this link twice or thrice, and you were only supposed to click here once. So it's not an error. You can now go ahead and sign in with your own student ID and the correct password through this link. You should use your college email and password and sign in. When you do that, it should show that you're logged in. Again, you're seeing that you're already signed in. Good. Let's go to my accounts and orders, and now you can see that my order history has Adobe Creative Cloud inside it already. So you should click on your accounts or orders, and you should see this Adobe Creative Cloud under my items already, and this has already been paid for. You click on this link, and it should show you a redemption code. For example, you see this is my order summary, and the order is for whatever the student name is, and this is a license which is activated for 1 year for you, and you should copy this redemption code, which is unique according to the student ID. For each student ID and the faculty, this is unique. Copy this link and click on this button called redeem now, which will take you to a new page, and it will ask you to paste your or to enter your redemption code. So again, your redemption code is this one. You should be copying this and paste this on the link which just opened when you click on this redeem now button. And the requirement of that is that you should be signed in already, and to complete your registration you should be giving your first name and last name. So you fill up your information, enter your ID and the password, make sure you've clicked on this checkbox, and now you sign up. When you do that, you should now see a screen like this which would ask you to enter your redemption code. So what you should do is simply copy this code and paste this over there, and then just click on activate membership. Now if you're doing it the first time, it should do it should activate your membership. If you are doing it again, then this code was valid for only one time use. It would only tell you that your code has already been activated, and now you can simply go and download the software. So you click on get started, and now what you can do is you can download the Adobe Creative Cloud software to your laptop or desktop. Now let's say if you've already downloaded this before on your laptop, then what you could do is you could open Adobe Creative Cloud. Cloud, sign out, and then sign in back again. Okay, once these steps are finished, then you will see a message like this, thank you and your name, and that the redemption code has been applied, and then you can now open the Creative Cloud app, or you can download the Creative Cloud app. Now at this stage, remember what you can also do, you can just Google Adobe Creative Cloud, download it from Adobe directly also, and then you can download and install it as a trial version of Adobe Creative Cloud. And then once it is installed, you can open your Adobe Creative Cloud application, which should look like this. And in the application sections, you will see all the applications which you can download and install as a trial version. So you can even go on Google, download and install Adobe Creative Cloud, and you will see all of these applications will be coming over here. Instead of install, it will say try in front of every application. When you see try, it means your Adobe Creative Cloud is a trial Creative Cloud, and your application of Creative Cloud is not tied to your registered account yet. So what you should be able to do is you click on this gear icon, go to preferences, and then go to account, and then you should click on sign out from Creative Cloud. When you do sign out from Creative Cloud, then you should enter the username password again, and then it should basically sign in you again, and then you should see over here install instead of try, which means the Adobe Creative Cloud will then recognize you as a registered user with valid 1-year license. So if you still see try over here and you have done the registration, you've done used the redemption code, and it says you have been successful, then you can open your Creative Cloud application if you've already downloaded, or you can download it by searching from Google the Adobe Creative Cloud application, and then you can go to your preferences again, account, sign out, and then sign in with the same username or ID as you've used in the Adobe Creative Cloud for registration, which would be and should be the same as your student ID and the password. Now, a couple of more things actually. When you click on the link and you actually entered the redemption code and you came over here, you would say that I am actually now signing up. Now what can happen is possibly you may have signed up over here before also, and you forgot to do that. So when you come over here on this link and you click on this checkbox, I agree to the terms and conditions, and you try to sign up, it would give you an error and say unfortunately you've already signed up, or unfortunately a user already exists with this ID. So what you should do in that case is click on the sign in button over here, and then use the same ID and password to sign in, and then you sign in. When that happens, you would see that you've already signed in, and when you would have signed in, then most probably the redemption code would have already been used. Don't worry, nobody else can use this redemption code unless they have your username, ID, and password. So your redemption code, your link is only valid for your account, for your HCT account only. And when that happens, you can try and paste the redemption code over here, and you would see that this has already been used, which again means that your account has already been activated and registered. All you need to do is to open your Adobe Creative Cloud app if you have it. If you don't have it, download it from within the HCT Adobe website or from Google, and then sign out from the account section in the preferences, and then sign in back again, and then this should solve your problem of the trial version. Okay, so I hope you understand this now, and if you've got any further queries, you can email me at miqbal, miqbal at hct.ac.ae, and I will be happy to answer your further questions, inshallah. Thank you very much for watching.